and even by mutual agreement of the parties who are all known to each other. And now we pray for the court's leniency to allow the accused person to enjoy her freedom as we proceed with the matter before.
The circumstances before granting bail, of course, it has to be reasonable. Your Honor, the court should note that the circumstances in this case is nothing but 17.5 million. So while the court retires to make a decision on bail and bond terms, it ought to note that the circumstances are: number one, there is a missing 17.5 million, which is a charge for...
However, Your Honor, just one or two issues that counsel has brought up, which I wish to respond. Number one, counsel has indicated that there is no criminality involved, and this is a purely civil matter. However, Your Honor, it's our humble submission that indeed there's a reason why we've got a criminal charge sheet. There's criminal charges before you, with the criminal offenses together with the sections pursuant to the law clearly laid out. Secondly, Your Honor, we do appreciate that counsel has indicated that the parties have been negotiating. But Your Honor,
which qualifies this matter as one that should attract a cash bail. Your Lordship, Your Honor, we invite the court to also be guided by Article 123(2), that such cash bail should not be excessive. Your Honor, we call upon the court, even at this early stage of the matter, to first determine, number one, the character of the accused person and whether she's one who would observe bail terms. Your Honor, the accused before you is a senior advocate. She understands the rule of law. There is no possible reason that she would fail to observe the bail terms. Your Honor, we also ask the court to ask itself of the likelihood of the accused person interfering with any witnesses. Your Honor, from the charge sheet, the witnesses are persons well known to her. They are persons who've conducted business together. The main complainant, Your Honor, operates a restaurant just below her office. They are in the same building. Your Honor, she is not a flight risk. She practices in Mombasa. Her law firm is in Mombasa at Orare House. She resides in Mombasa County with her 2 young children. And it's a person who will be within the court premises on any day that the matter is set to proceed, or even on call in the event there was any urgency to such attendance. Your Honor, of Kipruto Serem versus Republic, a landmark judgment with respect to cash bail and bail terms by Justice Mureithi, and invite the court in apportioning cash bail not to focus on the value of bond is not an approximation of the value of criminal charges. Under section 123(2) of the Criminal Procedure Code provides that cash bail should be fixed with due regard to the circumstances of a case, but should not be